How to log in into SunTrust Bank online banking. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your phone or PC, then search for suntrust.com. Now tap on the first link that appears. Don't get confused because SunTrust Bank is now Truist Bank. So now let's tap on the link here. Here we go. Now we come to the main homepage of the website. Now just at the top, you can see the option of sign in. Tap on it and then you'll come across this page. Now over here you have to enter your details, and in case if you are a new user, then what you can do is you can set up online banking, which you can see just below. Now in case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can tap the option of forgot user ID or tap on reset password. Now for instance, let's tap on forgot user ID here. Now wait for it. Then you'll come across this page. Then at the top you can see this option, account type, personal or business. You can choose what your account type is. At the bottom, you can see information given about the bank and other issues. Now, after you tap on the account type, here you have to fill all the fields, whatever it says is required. Then you have to tap on continue, and then you will get the procedures to recover your account. So that was all for today, and thanks for staying with us till the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.